You see, Reverend Fathers, huh? I will never defend them in my whole life again. You see, Reverend Fathers, and let me warn you, because you know the problem we are having in Nigeria is too much of pretense and defending rubbish. You see, before you come on this post to come and tell me, hey, Asa, you are a Catholic. Asa, you are this one. I don't want to curse anybody. The way it is in my mind. If anybody drop that nonsense comments in my comment section, and please, Reverend Sister Anne, Reverend Father Osita, I want to beg the both of you with due respect, because every time I bring out cases like this, the both of you will always tell me, Asa, this, da. It is high time we stop protecting and covering evil up. They should allow... Listen to this.
Hello. As we decide. Good afternoon. Nico. Let's come to Nico. Father to when you see the naga on Papa Munion, you send Papa give me your church can and sometimes I don't want to make the CW or sometimes I have a church. I call lawyer and we church like of presume. And I open Pada one day conform to a set the matter for an ability to get a message of good to better matter compassion no problem. Many Americans, I never can this church, I'm not this church, you're going to make my wife. But I'm done in the mobile, but I have already case recorded about this and this parish. In the man of conduct and not with the women now. Or I had to this man to my women.
Hi.
Every time I went there, I hear almost a woman, and I don't know and no one will be now for. Now, brought the mama to the blood here. It was a woman, not with them, I ever made them because for a woman, the man. DNA as women, whatever that now. Now, when you know why I could have a block and go on a problem there. What's the problem with in the Parap and the DNA that's a Mugam. This man is going to because I got my dad, the mayor, and why you go. I give a father, Metapada, Yada Police, Metapada, Yada Police, but I am. As a church, it's even the mother, at the church, it's even the mother. You will be sad, you can't take this out. But I don't say the Magamada can be any cat because I'm not saying about that.
Negudi Menwoki Becky, all in the name of you are a priest. My God will so punish you. Chuga Ogoko, Chuga Olele Goko. Negudi Menwoki Becky. Woki Becky now acquired. This guy for those that did not understand, maybe born on work God him going emotion Kale. This guy is simply explaining that the wife that their parish priest impregnated his wife, his own wife, and that when he notices, he went to go and confront that stupid parish priest. And then he said that the guy has committed abomination by saying it, blah, 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 that there was nothing on. Hey. Now the wife is pregnant and the wife was sick up and down during the pregnancy. And finally, when the wife put to bed, the child was now sick. They wanted blood from the father. And when the guy wanted to donate blood for the child, the blood did not match. That is how he started threatening the woman, the wife. The wife now opened up to tell him, Makana hana chonwa nwoke. They gave birth to 6 girls. It was this last one that was a boy. Osegi je na nke father je chotalia. Asa, calm down. Continue listening.
Oh, Jesus. My dear, please calm down, okay? I understand. Oh, just calm down, Enugo.
Ma, are you asking me to cool down? Ma, please, are you asking me to cool down? Did I do anything wrong to this Reverend Father? Did I do wrong to this Reverend Father? I have confronted this Reverend Father to leave my wife for me. And this man told me that and that what I'm saying is a taboo, and that I have to come for confession, that I have sinned. How can I be saying that kind of a thing? What did I do to this Reverend Father when I confronted him for the first time? That is what this man told me. A wife that I married with my own money. I thought this woman is going to church to go and worship God. That no, now she's going there for a different thing. You are telling me to cool down. They are giving you this Reverend Father's picture and his phone number. Please, man. I want you to expose this man. Let the whole world see what this man is doing. Please, man. I am giving you the pictures. I am giving you the address of the parish where he is, and his phone number and picture. Please, do justice for me. Let the whole world know that what he is doing here is not church. And he's been staying there to deceive people. Please, man. Do what I told you to do for me, please, man. Please, man. I don't want to hear. I cannot hear. I cannot go down in this matter. This is too much on me. Please, man.
His cries are breaking my heart. His cries are just breaking my heart. I don't even know what to do. What did you guys say I should do? If I do now, people will say as I have done. How can a human being do this to a fellow human being? Is this fair? How can these people be deceiving us, or in the name of parish priest, or in the name of pastor, or in the name of... In fact, in keep as all the can get the father can job. Sometimes I ask myself, what is even the need of going to church? But then, we are not going to church because of these people. Why would these people will get miscalled? They will say that Jesus called them Pope. How can I tag Pope? How can I tag Pope? I want to tag Pope in this video. Pope, can these people please go and get married? Can Reverend Fathers go and get married? God, I beg, oh. Look at what you did to your fellow man. Look at what you did to your fellow man. This guy has been crying to me since morning. He has been crying. Sorry about that. I need to calm myself down so I can talk, because my heart is heavy. I don't want to speak with or act with emotions, please. What do you guys say that I should do? Should I go ahead with his request? What should I do? Because I believe that's why we are family. 2 hairs are better than 1. He has sent the picture of the animal that called himself a priest. Asa, calm down. Asa, just calm down. He has sent the picture of the goat, and he has also given me all the details, his name, his parish and everything. What do you guys suggest I do? Thank you guys.